What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Hepco Becker Sidestand Enlarger. Now I gotta get pretty low to talk about this thing, but this is the Hepco Becker Sidestand Enlarger. Now, ADV motorcycles are obviously meant to go places that other motorcycles can't. And oftentimes that means off-road. And when you're off-road, you don't have the luxury of a solid, hard surface to put your sidestand down. This means that the sidestand is allowed to sink into the ground, your bike falls over, you break something, maybe not. But either way, you're more likely to have to pick a bike up off the floor. Now this sidestand enlarger here is going to drastically increase the amount of surface area that you have available to your sidestand. This means that you can put it down on even the most treacherous surfaces and have faith that the bike isn't going to fall over or the sidestand's not going to sink on you. It looks great. It's made of CNC machined aluminum, so it's really strong, really lightweight, and it's incredibly easy to install. I do, however, strongly recommend that you use thread locker, specifically the blue or red variety. Reason being is the sidestand sees a lot of vibration in its life, and you don't want to lose those bolts and have that sidestand enlarger go bouncing down the road and hit a car or another rider. It's just not something you want. So thread locker, highly recommended. With all that being said, let's show you how to install it. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in content like this, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.